Most breaches don't start with sophisticated exploits. They start with weak, stolen, or overprivileged access. In today's cloud-driven world, identity-first security is essential, and access reviews are no longer optional. Briskinfosec's Access Control and Authorization Review provides a deep, evidence-based assessment of RBAC, ABAC, PAM effectiveness, privilege escalation risks, and least privilege enforcement across identities, roles, and entitlements. Our process begins with discovery and scoping, where we identify assets, accounts, and access pathways. Next, threat intelligence aligns the assessment with real-world attacker techniques. During assessment execution, our experts manually test access controls to uncover risks automated tools often miss. We then perform analysis and correlation, linking findings to business impact, followed by reporting and remediation. Throughout the engagement, you gain real-time visibility into findings, remediation progress, and milestones. Because most breaches begin with someone having access they should never have had. Let's show you how on a quick call. Reach out today.